How to auto-optimize games in Windows 11. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the simple and easy steps on how you can auto-optimize all of your games according to your configurations of laptop with just a few clicks. So in order to start, the first thing that you'll need to do is go to the settings of your Windows 11 computer. So simply click here and click onto the settings gear icon. Now, once you're inside the settings, simply click onto the system option, and within the system, you can see the display. Click onto display, and within the display, simply scroll down and you will find the graphics option right here. Click onto the graphics option, and within the graphic option, you can see this second option that says optimizations for windowed games. Reduce latency and use advanced features in compatible games by using flip representation model. So you can simply enable this by clicking onto this particular toggle, and now all of the games in your windows will be auto optimized according to the particular specifications of your computer. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.